Changing the wiper blades on this 99 Nissan Maxima. Takes a 21 inch on the passenger side and a 22 inch over there on the driver's side. This one you can see is didn't hold on very well. I was afraid it might fly off and cause some damage. You want to put, when you're changing the blade, you want to put something like that on there to keep it from snapping and close and breaking your window. So this has the J hook. So you just put the blade in there and it clicks into place and locks in. And you can let it down. These blades are kind of old, and this one was coming apart, so I didn't want to trust it. And got to get the car inspected soon, so I want to make sure it's going to pass. And really, it's important to have good wiper blades, you know. Same thing on this one. I'm going to go ahead and seems like the hardest thing is getting it out of the package. If you get blades at Advanced Auto, they will change these for you. So the other one was broken and came right out. That one's close to being broken. I'm gonna have to get a tool to get that out. It's kind of stuck in there. But you can see they weren't really retained very well. So this brand that I'm using, or that I'm replacing, is a Goodyear. I recommend not using these. They don't seem to be very well made at all. The adapter stays in well, but the actual blade is kind of iffy. There you go. That's 2 blades done. I like these a lot. There's a lot less mass in the blade too than these other ones. Normally I keep blades, the old ones, for a backup or something. These are so bad I'm not even going to do that.